Right now, people don't just want smarter chatbots. The real goal is AGI, an AI that can understand the world, adapt to new situations, reason across domains, and stay aware of reality as it changes. But here's the problem. Even the best models today, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, are still static systems. They don't truly understand live video, real-world context, or events happening right now. And without that, AGI remains out of reach. That's where Grok 5 comes in. Elon Musk claims it has a real, measurable chance, around 10%, of reaching AGI, by combining unprecedented scale, real-time data, and multimodal intelligence. But is this the breakthrough we've been waiting for, or the most expensive gamble in AI history? The scale behind Grok 5. Grok 5 is reportedly built on a mixture of experts' architecture, with around 6 trillion parameters, roughly double Grok 4. But the model itself is only half the story. Grok 5 is trained on the Colossus 2 supercluster, consisting of 200,000 NVIDIA GPUs, drawing close to 1 gigawatt of power, enough to supply a small city. xAI reportedly built this cluster in under a year, creating one of the most powerful AI training systems ever assembled. This scale isn't about bragging rights. It's about testing a hypothesis at the heart of AGI research. If intelligence truly scales with compute, data, and model size, Grok 5 should prove it. What makes Grok 5 different? According to demonstrations and internal reports, Grok 5 is designed for true real-time multimodal intelligence. That includes text, images, audio, live video, all processed together with extremely low latency, reportedly under 120 milliseconds. In one demo, Grok 5 analyzed a live drone video feed and identified dozens of object categories, tracked motion and traffic patterns, detected hazards, suggested optimal routes in real time. This matters for AGI because most AI models don't understand time. They treat video as still frames. Grok 5 is designed to understand change, motion, and cause and effect, core components of general intelligence. On top of that, Grok 5 reportedly supports a 1.5 million token context window, allowing it to reason across entire books, massive codebases, or long-term conversations without losing coherence. But the most radical feature is still ahead. Live data, AGI promise, and the big bet. Unlike most AI models, Grok 5 does not operate on frozen knowledge. It is continuously trained using live data from X, ingesting over 100 million posts and videos per day. This means Grok 5's knowledge is always current. In theory, it can reason about events that happened minutes ago, not months ago. Elon Musk believes this combination, massive scale, real-time perception, and live learning, gives Grok 5 a roughly 10% and rising chance of achieving AGI. Supporters argue this is exactly what AGI requires. Continuous interaction with the real world, not static datasets. Critics disagree. Some researchers argue that scaling laws are slowing down, especially for reasoning. They warn that brute force may hit limits, no matter how many GPUs you add. One analyst compared Grok 5 to the battleship Yamato, an engineering masterpiece that represented the peak of one era, just as the paradigm was about to change. So the question becomes, is Grok 5 the bridge to AGI, or the last model of the scaling era? How Grok 5 compares to today's best models. Grok 5 enters a competitive landscape. GPT-5.2 leads in professional work, coding, tools, and reasoning, but lacks real-time data and true video understanding. Gemini 3 excels at deep reasoning and multimodal tasks, but operates on static knowledge. Claude 4.5 is highly efficient for coding and agent workflows, but avoids live perception entirely. Each model is optimized for productivity. Grok 5 is optimized for something else: general intelligence grounded in real-world awareness. But that ambition comes at an enormous cost, orders of magnitude higher than today's models. So Grok 5 doesn't just need to be better. It needs to be fundamentally different. What Grok 5 means for real users. Most people won't interact with Grok 5 directly, they'll experience it through products. On X, Grok already curates content. With Grok 5, users could summarize breaking news in real time, verify viral claims, analyze live videos, have conversational control over their feed. In Tesla vehicles, Grok 5 could bring real situational awareness, understanding surroundings, explaining warnings, adapting routes using live visual input. Long-term, Grok 5 may also integrate with Optimus robots and Neuralink, pointing toward a unified intelligence system spanning digital, physical, and biological interfaces. But this power carries serious risks. Live training on social media introduces dangers. Misinformation, bias, manipulation, and feedback loops at massive scale. AGI-level systems demand alignment and oversight, and that challenge remains unresolved. The bottom line: Grok 5 is expected in early 2026. It's delayed, massive, expensive, and explicitly designed as a step toward AGI. If it works, it could redefine what intelligence in machines looks like. If it fails, it may prove that scale alone can't get us there. Either way, Grok 5 is more than a product launch. It's a real-world test of the biggest question in AI. Can AGI be engineered by sheer scale? Or does it require something entirely new? Early 2026 will give us the answer.